My name is Meleka. I thoroughly enjoy Recruitment Startup Workshop today. My boyfriend actually planted the idea to start my own recruitment agency. And I did a lot of research on Google and I just couldn't find the information I needed. However, I did stumble across Recruitment Startup Workshop online, so I thought, let me book this workshop to see if I can get some very important nuggets. So even this morning, I didn't want to attend. I was a bit skeptical, but I decided to come to this workshop, and wow, Joe provided a really comprehensive, detailed, precise information in how we can go about starting up the recruitment agency. What was even more interesting is just looking at the statistics. After the workshop, I felt so empowered that I'm willing to start my recruitment agency, and I can't wait to start my new journey working with Joe. As Joe quipped, if you're not willing to build your dreams, then someone will hire you to build theirs. I want to start my own recruitment because it offers me that flexibility, but more so because I like helping others. I will definitely recommend Recruitment Startup Services because you get a lot of important information, ones that you cannot find on Google. Joe will provide that comprehensive, precise insight into how you can successfully build and grow your recruitment agency.